Hey there guys. Well, there are a few of us that have already done these, but today I want to have a look at some travel adapters. And yes, we all know the dodgy little bloody Chinese shit things that seem to always come out with your little battery chargers, such as these. Even this, you know, would help if I didn't drop it. Even this rather dubious thing. And yes, fits really well. It only just holds in. It only just holds in like that. But as you can see, still you can end up with live pins. In Australia, the live is always this. Is always this terminal, the left, as it should be. Now, in a normal outlet, it does fit reasonably well, although, have a look really close, it doesn't go all the way in. Now this is a very typical clip-cell double pole power outlet. We'll take a look at this little thing. It does go all the way in, but again, you're left with the live pin idea. Now, next little check. We'll go for some continuity here of the Earth. Just to check. Yep. Now it does look like this one is actually, oh, hang on. It does look like it goes all the way through. We've got no dramas there. Active continuity, neutral continuity. But this one here, you can probably see just how much that prong is actually moving. And no sleeved pins. Now we come to a point where we'll open these little fellas up and we'll just see to what sort of degree these things fall to bits once I open them up. Grab it rather unceremoniously. It is rather well connected. These ones are screwed down, the live and neutral. Active as we call it in Australia, hot in America. And as you can see, the pin just bends over and the screw goes straight through the guts of it. Straight down, yeah, into the pin. Now what I want to do here is a very brief, well, a short comparison between these cheap, no-name, rather shittily put together travel adapters and this one. Now, some of you may recognise the brand, Korjo. Now, the thing that you'll notice about this is you can't plug it in to get the live pin on the side. and it fits snugly, firmly. Now, the way that this is done, again, also, this is a press fit design because there are no screws. They don't want you to get into it. Bit of a bonus there. And yeah, we got little movement. No movement in the, or very, very tiny amount of movement there. But as you can see, the pins are sleeved. We'll go through the old tests again. And no, an Australian plug won't fit in there. However, let me have a little look. If I can get this thing to go back together, and really, really great feel to these pins, to these connections in here. Oh, look at that. It just won't go back together. There we go. Now it's back together. But we'll do the ultimate check. There we go. Nice snug fit, flush down onto the plate. It's going to be my go-to adapter now, nice and firm. Just what you want to see. Now this is a rather cheap lithium-ion charger. This little fellow here is a cheap little 6-volt battery charger. Now the unfortunate part about some of these plugs is you can still get into the terminals. That's the one failing here of a multi-fit plug. And that one there is live. Same as it would be in a British circuit where the pins are actually arranged that way around rather than that way. But anyhow, guys, I hope you enjoyed this little look at travel adapters, and stay tuned for more, and thanks for watching.